Yes, good evening, everyone. So, yesterday in the Google Classroom, join in that Google Classroom. Day 1 to until yesterday, total notes I uploaded in the Google Classroom yesterday. Sir, now today the concept is online students, you can ask to the admin. Admin will give Google Classroom link. Sir, yesterday we had a discussion about yesterday class. This is the yesterday session. Single application with multiple views means one application contain multiple functions. Every function ki we have to define one URL pattern. That URL pattern I can given this one. Next, based on time, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night message I can provide that. Read the hours, compare based on that you have to return the response. Please give me admin contact number. Single project with multiple application. One project can contain multiple apps also. In that, no programming, only thing is import statements. Two approaches I am telling. One is module aliasing. Tarvata direct how to call the functions by using from import statements. Next concept, theoretical I am telling this one. Cut this. Paste it. Now today concept is after 2 days she will give the link. So next the concept is why we have to define URLs in app level instead of the project level. Theoretically, yesterday I'm given some small chota example also. Because a project can contain multiple apps. Yesterday I'm given some chota example. One project have multiple applications and every application one views.py file is available. A view contain multiple functions. Yesterday I'm telling I have 10 apps, 10 views, each view 10 functions. So I have how many functions? 100 functions are there. Definitely I have to define Paka 100 URLs. For example, tomorrow I have to use some 5 applications into some another project. I want to use the first 5. I can copy it 3, 4, 5. But URLs is available project level. Whenever I can copy these applications, URLs are not available. You have to define. Ante some less of someone is just an intelligent student is asking, sir, whenever you can copy the apps, you can copy URLs. Okay, I will copy paste, but instead of that one, I'm asking talking about reusability. Copy paste and typing and am I rewriting or no? End of this one student is asking, sir, simply you can copy first 550 URLs, paste it, your job completed. Okay, that is also fine, but it is less reusability. Instead of copy pasting, what I'm telling is inside app lone you have to give urls.py. Then one time I can copy application automatically available, not available. Second time copy is not required kada. So that's why from now you have to until whenever required, every time not required. If more apps, more functions are there, app level you can define URLs. automatically these are available. But whenever I can send URLs, how to run server forever anta. So ఏం చెప్పినా అయితే whenever I'm sending request, this is the requested URL. HTTP 127 wish to. This wish to is always looking for project level only. But present there is no project level. The URLs are available app level. That is the reason. Last one point I'm given. You have to include your app level URLs into project level by using one function. What is the function? Include function. Otherwise, Django don't know about your URLs. Django is always looking for project level URLs, app level URLs. Project don't know anything. So compulsory, I have to include our application level URLs into project level. Now we have to see one small example program. So create the project. Come to here. Django 12th December 7:30. Okay. Django hyphen admin start project. What is the project name? Base project. Django hyphen admin start project base project. This is the project. CD change directory to base project. Create one application. Py manage.py start app. What is the app name? Test app. ఇవి 3 steps are common. First project, తర్వాత application, add application in settings. Next fourth step, views.py లో write the functions. అవును నోట్స్ ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు ఉంది? డే 1 నుంచి 16 వరకు. డే 1 ఎప్పుడు? 10th ఇంట్రడక్షన్, తర్వాత డిజాంగ్. ఓకే. 11th థర్స్డేనా? థర్స్డే కంటెంట్ ఇన్స్టలేషన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ స్ట్రక్చర్. 12 డే 3. 13 లేదు, 14 లేదు క్లాసు. తర్వాత 15 నిన్న 15 ఈరోజు బుధవారం కదా. నిన్న 16 ట్యూస్డే. ముందుగా మొత్తం నోట్స్ అంతా. సార్ నౌ గో టు ద పై చార్ట్. ఇది ఎక్కడ పోయింది? ఏది? యా, గో టు దిస్ పై చార్ట్, క్లోజ్ దిస్. వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేమ్? base project. The first one, go to the settings. Inside settings, you have to add your application. What your app name? Test app. Go to test app, go to the which file used on. ఇక్కడ ఒక 2-3 functions you have to create. Def is the keyword. This is my first view. It is accepted one argument, that is request. Now return. What I have to return? Compulsory have to return HTTP response object Django dot module name import class name. Class, I am creating object, pass one string. Give h1 slash h1. Inside I have to provided this is the first app kada, so I have to give first view response. సరిపోయింది కదా, సరిపోయింది. Take one more function. This is the second view. This is the second, third. Three functions I defined. ఇదే సరే, ఇది కోడ్. టేక్ దిస్ కోడ్. So project is created, app created. Now views are ready. Next, what to do? General ga you have to define URLs. At the where you have to create these URLs. Create a separate file with the name of urls.py file, where inside application, because come to this pie chart, ఇదిగోండి, check this left side. In your app, only admin apps, models, test views are there. General URLs are available in your project folder. Now, within your app level, create one file. You can how to create file? Right click, general file, go to new. Which file? Python file. Automatically will take .py extension. What is the file name? URLs. Okay, general go to that URLs. What is the first line available? Check it. What is the first line? From Django path. Admin not required kada. So no use of that one. So app level URLs lo from Django dot URLs import. What I have to import? Path. Now, what is that list? URLs. URLs కాదు. URL patterns. Give a list. So what is the variable? Path. What is the URL name? First, comma. What where it is? Views dot. What is our view name? First view, comma. Second, third. Second, third. You have to tell now. What is the import statement I have to write? Views అనేది ఎక్కడుంది? How to write the import statement? Import from test app, import views. So see this, okay, correct only, but observe. urls.py, views.py, both are available. Which folder? Test app. So test app is the based on Django terminology, one package. Normal terminology, one directory. Within the same directory, two Python files are there. How to pointing to same directory? Can I use from? What is the meaning of dot? Dot means current working directory. No, sir, if you want to give test app, you can give because dot is always pointing to current working directory. What is current file? urls.py. Yes, okay. So current directory lo go to the import. What is the module name? Views. Import the views. So current working directory views module first, second, third. Now my question is, I will start the server py manage.py run server. Any error is there? No error. Started server. Copy this. Go to the browser. Paste it. What is the URL pattern? Extra button. First with slash. What is the output I will get? Is it executed first view? Yes or no? No. Run this. Page not found 404. Sorry, boss. Then first ఉంది కదా, there is a first view is there na. సెకండ్ డాష్ డెకండ్ పెట్టే ఉంటాయి అక్కడ. ఆగండి ఆగండి ఎఫ్ స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్. ఫస్ట్ వ్యూ ఇవ్వండి, సెకండ్ వ్యూ థర్డ్ వ్యూ సరిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు వ్యూస్లో ఇంకా ఇప్పుడు సరిపోయింది కదా. ఓకే, డన్. నౌ చెక్ ద సర్వర్ ఈజ్ ఫైన్. గో టు హియర్, యూ రీఫ్రెష్. యామ్ ఐ గెటింగ్ ఫస్ట్ వ్యూ ఆర్ నో? నో. ఇందాకంటే స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్స్ అని తోసారు నా మీద, మరి ఇప్పుడు నో స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్స్ కదా. Observe, the reason is whenever your URL, what is the URL pattern? First, my Django always go to this urls.py file. In URLs, what is the URL available? Only admin, there is no first. That is the reason they will give suggestion also. Sorry, boss, you have only one URL. What it is? Admin. That is the problem, not the spelling mistake. మాట్లాడితే నా మీద పడి స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్లు అంటామే. సో మరి what is the meaning means yesterday I'm given one last point. What I'm telling, last line, compulsory we have to link this application level URLs file to where project level, because project level you have only one chance, admin, but the URL is available first. How to add? By using include function. So first take this one, create a separate file URLs. So in app level URLs lo write this code first. This is the code. How to include I will tell. So how to include this app level URLs to project level? Include this application level urls.py file inside project level urls.py. Include this app level URLs to project level. So go to the project level urls.py file. So how to add this file? My file name is urls.py file. Available in test app. Check it jagrataga. In this folder, URLs is there. This folder I want to add into here. One function will be there, predefined function. What is the function name? Include. But it is not my function. Somewhere it is available there. So import statement is required compulsory. Django.urls import path, comma, include. What is the include? Method or function? Function. In which module? URLs. URLs is the module. In this module, include is a one function, not a method, because of F symbol is there. Import that. Okay. Now, path is the variable Inside give your own URL pattern. My URL pattern is test. Any name you can give. No problem. Comma. What is the function? Include. It is asking include of your app name. urls.py. It is available where? Test app. Dot. What is the file name? URLs. Once you check the server, whatever modification you did, server will be restarted. Tell what is your URL pattern. First, this is the server IP address. Next, go to project level. What is URL? Test app. Okay. From it is checking test app. Yes, available. ikkadi nunchi it will goes to this URLs. Go to this URL. What is the URL? First. This is the way anamata. So, this is your IP address, port number, project level URL. akkadi nunchi it will routed to app level. First, the function will be executed. Copy this, go to the browser. First view response. If I go to the, what is the next URL? Second, second view response. If we go to the third view. So this is the first view, second view, third view. Here the concept is current project lone app level URLs I created. Current project lone project level I included, executed. Next concept I have to take two projects. This is one project, this is different project. Here I will created one app. In this app I can created one urls.py. E project I am not writing any code. Simple copy this application into URL. This is app, blue the app. This red one is project. So app lone I will write views. I created URLs. Just I copy pasted into here. Automatically app URLs available, not available. Coding is not required. Only thing is go to project level URLs include only one line. And one more thing, add this application name into settings.py. And two steps only thing. Okay, no need to write anything. Go to settings.py, add your app name into current project, add URL into the project level URLs. Just two steps though, your work is completed. That is the advantage. So, ikkada how to include kada, yeah. Include is the function, just include this one. Admin ఎలాగో already ఉంటుంది. After admin, you can add your URL pattern. Next, go with your requested URL should be first project level URL, next app level URL. This is the procedure. Online students who are not there in Telegram, you need to join this one. This is the QR code. Annual screening test conducted in our institute. You can ask to the admin, I don't know. So here complete reusability is applicable. Reusability of our application in other projects. Just with only 2 lines we have to add. What about those? Add your application name in settings, add URLs into project level. Settings.py lo add application name. Second, include URLs. Include is the function. Every time not required, and if more applications, more views, more function, this approach best. Otherwise, not required. Multiple projects. Readable. That is the advantage. Defining app level URLs instead of project level. So whenever you can require, define app level instead of project. So next a small thing, last final second topic, second chapter lo last example. Just now I'm telling now. I have to take one project. This project name is app level URLs. In this one application, I will create. The application name is test app. Application name test app. దీనిలో డెఫినెట్గా one views.py file is available. One function I will create. ఇదే యాప్లో మాన్యువల్గా I will created one urls.py. బస్ ఇక్కడ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ రన్నింగ్. వన్ మోర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఐ క్రియేటెడ్. ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేమ్ ఏదో నేమ్ ఇవ్వండి. ప్రాజెక్ట్. నౌ ఈ టెస్ట్ యాప్ మీద రైట్ క్లిక్ కాపీ అండ్ పేస్ట్. ఆటోమేటికల్గా ఇట్ ఈస్ అవైలబుల్ దేర్. యూ నో నీట్ రైట్ సింగిల్ లైన్ కోడ్ అండ్ ఎనీథింగ్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. ఇక్కడ చెప్పినట్లు ఓన్లీ 2 steps ఆర్ దేర్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్? Go to settings.py. Add your app name. What is the app name? Test app. Tarvata what to do? Second, only one line. What it is? urls.py. Inside you have to include start server, run the program. Executed, not executed. Executed. That is the best advantage. See this next one. Stop the server, Control C. We not required. Close, close, close. Create one new project. Clear the screen. Back. Django -admin. Start project. App level URLs. Project. CD. App level URLs project. py manage.py. Start app. Test app. Next, views.py. Create view. Go to the pie chart. First one, app level. Test your views. Create the view. Def is the function. My view name is exams view. First argument request. Return is the keyword. I have to send HTTP response. So from Django, module name, class name, create object to your class, send one string. That string should be H1. Here it is a exams view. First view. Allow take 3 views. Second, third. Second view. TNDNC. Attendance. Attendance. Next to fees. Fees. 3 views are there. Step 3 missing anta. Very good, Naveen. Yeah, corrected. His doubt is, what is the doubt? ఏమన్నాడు? Step 3, what is the third one? Every time I'm adding app to settings or no? కానీ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్లో కావాలని ఐఎమ్ నాట్ యాడెడ్ ఇంటెన్షనల్లీ. వాట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్? ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ ఎవ్రీ డే నోట్స్లో డెఫినెట్లీగా ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ ఫస్ట్ క్రియేట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. ఐఎమ్ యాడింగ్ యాప్ ఆర్ నో? ఎస్టర్డే నోట్స్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ చెక్ ఇట్. ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ కంపల్సరీ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్ ఫస్ట్ యాప్ సెకండ్ యాప్. మరి ఇందులో ఇన్ దిస్ ఇంటెన్షనల్గా ఐ మిస్ ఇట్ దట్ వన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్? ద రీజన్ ఎందుకని? ద రీజన్ ఫర్ దట్ మర్చిపోయానా? This application I am not running in this project. I have to run this application where? Another project. అందుకే నేను అందర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్లో ఏమన్నా go to settings, add application, add URLs. If you want to run this application in URL, compulsory you can add into the settings. But I'm not running. Just here I'm defining this app I can run to another project. That's why third step is not written. That is the reason, Naveen. Take this view. Students, tomorrow is the last demo. Read and submit this form. And for more details, contact me. Yeah. So three functions are there: exams, attendance, fees. Define three URLs. How many days it will take to complete the Django classes? Vishnuvardhan. Sir, now my application is test app. Okay, don't create here, not required. Right click on app, go to new, take a Python file. What is the file name? urls.py file. Inside you have to define from Django, module name is urls, import path. Current working directory kada from dot import. What is the module name? Views. What is the list name? URL patrons. A list of URLs mentioned. path is the variable first view exams kada, exams slash comma views dot exams ఏమిచ్చో ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఇవేనా అంతే కదా. సెకండ్ థర్డ్ ఫీజ్ ఇంకోటి ఏంటి అటెండెన్స్ ఫీజ్ సరిపోయిందా. దిస్ ఈస్ ద కోడ్ urls.py. ఇక్కడతో దిస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఈజ్ ఓవర్. ఇప్పుడు క్రియేట్ అనదర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇన్ దట్ కాల్ దీస్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఫీజు అటెండెన్స్. అండ్ అటెండెన్స్ స్పెల్లింగ్ కరెక్టేనా. మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ స్పెల్లింగ్ ఏంది. ఎంఏ టిహెచ్ఈఎంఏ గూగుల్ అడుగుదామా. వద్దా వద్దా. Sir, now completed. So first project created, app created, views లో 3 functions, URLs app level. ఇక్కడ దీని story is completed. Okay, app level URLs is ready. ఇక్కడ don't run anything not required. Next thing is create a new project. Any name, one project you can create. Come to here, cd dot dot Django. Sir, every time I'm using cd dot dot kada, what is the meaning? It will goes to one step back, one step back. Remember, this is next level, very important. Okay. Now, Django hyphen admin. Start project. Either project name, Mahesh project. In this, do you want to create any app? No, no need to create. Copy this. Project is ready. This only one step ante enough. Through command prompt ద్వారా. Come to here. ఇంకోండి Mahesh project. Only project is there. App is not available. What to do? Right click. Just you have to copy. Come to project. Just you have to paste it. ఇది అన్నాడు. రీఫ్యాక్టర్ అన్నానేంటి. కాదు కదా, పేస్టే కదా. ఇదిగోండి పేస్టెడ్ came along with your test app URLs views available. ఇందాక నోట్స్లో వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ జస్ట్ 2 steps ఆర్ దేర్. ఈ 2 steps you have to follow. One is settings. Second one, URLs. Code is not required. So come to this. First to open Mahesh project, go to settings. Install apps. What is the app name? First one done. Second one, go to URLs. Here you have to add. What is the function? Include is the function. Import that. Okay, ochindi. Now, define URLs. Path is the variable. URL pattern is test app, comma, include is the function where it is available test app dot URLs. Completed story. Start the server, run it. cd, project name is project. py ఏమైంది రాంగ్ వచ్చిందా cd డాట్ డాట్ cd py manage.py run server. Server is started. Copy this, come to browser, paste it, test app slash exams, exams view. Copy, paste, fees, attendance. థర్డ్ బదులు అటెండెన్స్ అంటే సరిపోదుగా. అటెండెన్స్ వ్యూ, ఫీజ్ వ్యూ, ఎగ్జామ్. సో ఇక్కడ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ డూయింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్, ఓన్లీ 2 steps. సెట్టింగ్స్లో యాడెడ్, యూఆర్ఎస్లో ఇంక్లూడెడ్. ఇలాగ ఇప్పుడు మీకు 10-20 యాప్స్ ఉన్నా సరే కాపీ పేస్ట్, యాడ్ ఆల్ యాప్స్, గివ్ వన్ URL pattern. Enough. That is the way. Copy the test app from app level URLs project and paste it in current project. Then only one thing you have to include app level URLs. Today Wednesday na? Time అయింది. వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ చికెన్. అందుకనే టుడే చాలా మంది absent. కొంతమంది ముందు జాగ్రత్తగా బాక్స్లో పెట్టుకుని వచ్చింటారు రూమ్లో. నో, అబ్బా ఎనఫ్ సార్ టుడే అంట. ఈటింగ్ నవ్. మీ ఆన్లైన్ వాళ్ళు ఆల్వేస్ హ్యాపీ అయ్యి బాబు. యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ మల్టీ టాస్కింగ్. వన్ సైడ్ లిజనింగ్ ద క్లాస్, వన్ సైడ్ ఈటింగ్ ద చికెన్. మ్యాథ్ ప్లస్ మ్యాటిక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు మ్యాథమెటిక్స్. వాయో ఆంజనేయులు. అదేంటి అది కరెక్టా స్పెల్లింగ్ ఆంజనేయులు? ఏదో పోయింది దానిలో. వాట్ కెన్ ఐ రిపీట్ మ్యాన్? ఇన్ దట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అప్లికేషన్ ఐ కాపీడ్, pasted here, added URL. Only 2 steps I did. Who are asking repeat? Swami. Are you listening class or going to the down take for the chicken? Online people, some people are busy with works. Today I joined for online anta. For eating food. Very good. So this is the second chapter completed. Not not extension, man. URLs is the module. Django package. Inside path is the variable, include is the function. Said Hussein. Dot URLs is not action. Ayyo. See, those are from imports, man. From ante is it extension? No. Package dot modules import include is the function. Include function is available in URLs. This is folder name test app. Inside URLs is the file name, not extension. Sir, when it is useful multi apps in one project in real time. In a real time, only one project, multiple apps are available, Arvind. Every time project app is not there. Suppose you can take one banking project and in that one, multiple applications are there. So, sir, you didn't give add app to settings.py. Why you? Sorry. Add test app in settings.py. తర్వాత యాడ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ URLs. Now happy? Sir, second chapter is completed. ఇప్పటికి 2 topics completed. Next one, third one. ఏంది అది పెన్ ఏంటది? Django templates and static files. ఏదే డౌట్లో బో. సార్ టుమారోనా? Can we rename project or application using CMD? Yeah, possible. How MKDIR is there? Same RM rename function is there na? Sir, today or tomorrow na? Theoretically, I will tell. Programming tomorrow I will explain. Okay. Fresh topic start in fresh day and no problem. Theoretically, we will tell today. Programmatic fresh day tomorrow I will start. Ghanta Ramesh. Sir, Shunde, what is this templates and static files means? Up to now, we have a idea about one design pattern, that is MVT, model view template. Up to now, we are discussing about this middle one. What it is? Views. Views.py, I am writing the multiple functions, single function and multiple functions. And they create. Now, you have to tell. Now, the thing is, come to your any views.py file. App level, date time, first jobs. Okay. Go to views.py file. You have to tell a line number 4 to line number 15. Is it complete Python code? Yes or no? No. It is not complete Python code. So, sir, def Hyderabad jobs. Yes, Python declaration only. Return statement, Python statement only. Yes is the string. Okay. Majlo something will be added. HTML code. It is not pure Python code. The code will be mixed with HTML. Python with HTML. It is not a pure Python code. Some kichdi code, something will be added here. That's why starting la someone is asking, what is that? Sir, what is this H1 like that? They are asking in the first class. Because suppose example ga, asal I don't know anything HTML. I am new person. Python I know very well. Suddenly definitely I will ask, sir, adenti Python lo H1 is not there. What is this H1? Suppose if you know HTML, then you can understand, okay, this is the H1 tag, open tag, close tag. If I know syntax, ఇక్కడేమో H1 ఇచ్చాం ఇక్కడేమో స్లాష్ ఇచ్చాం. What is the reason? Who is asking? Who don't know HTML? Definitely they will ask. Yeah, so my Python code is mixed with the HTML. So as a Python developer, can I concentrate on HTML or Python? I know Python. I don't know HTML. But the company is given develop this. That is the reason. I have to separate the roles. Babu, you have to write only Python code. I can separate this HTML code. So now onwards, views.py lo only I have to write which code? Python code only. You don't worry. I have to take some separate developer UI designers. He will create all HTML UI, not UO, sorry, UI. So he will create all the .html files. These HTML files I can separated, stored into one folder. That folder is nothing but what it is, templates. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండింటిని separate చేస్తాం మనం. Instead of writing both, such a type of thing is one view template. ఎప్పుడన్నా I have to enter data store to database. Next level, next chapter will come third terminology M models. Nothing but database. So that is the first terminology template. Static file, tarvata we will discuss. What is that? Static files. It is not recommended to write HTML code inside a Python script. Nothing but views.py file. Views.py file. Because it reduces the readability. Your Python code is mixed with HTML code. That's a bigger problem. No separation of the roles. Python code and HTML code. But as a Python developer, I don't know HTML. Then I will face some issues. And one more thing. If I want to reuse same code into another, not possible. Adi oka bigger problem. It does not promote reusability of the code. We problems. That's why I have to separate HTML file into a folder. That is nothing but templates. separating the HTML code into separate HTML file. You know where you can write HTML dot. HTML is the extension. Allow separate file create చేయటమే. This HTML file is nothing but template. HTML file say templates. So who is sending? Your views.py is sending written HTML file, not HTTP response. The return statement is common. Sir, up to now I am returning which one? HTTP response. ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఏం చేస్తాను? సపోజ్ ఒక ఫైల్ ఉంది abc.html. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? ఇట్ ఈస్ రిటర్నింగ్ HTML ఫైల్. అంతే సింపుల్. కోడ్ ఈజ్ కామన్. ఒక HTML ఫైల్ని ఐ హ్యావ్ టు రిటర్న్ అనమాట. ఎనఫ్. ఫ్రమ్ పైథాన్ ఫైల్ nothing but views.py. We can use these templates based on our requirement. అయితే where we can create these templates? Project level, app level. ఏమండి ఎక్కడ ప్రాజెక్ట్ లెవెలా యాప్ లెవెలా? 2 ఫోల్డర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా మనకి. ఒకటి యాప్ లెవెల్, ఒకటి ప్రాజెక్ట్ లెవెల్. దీనిలో క్రియేట్ చేయాలా దీనిలోనా? ఇట్ ఈస్ క్రియేటెడ్ అండర్ యాప్ లెవెల్ చేస్తే ఏమవుద్ది? ఇట్ ఈస్ అప్లికేబుల్ ఫర్ దట్ యాప్ ఓన్లీ. టుమారో ఒక 10 యాప్స్ ఉన్నాయి, దెన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ కేమ్. అది ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ లెవెల్, ఆల్ అప్లికేషన్స్ కెన్ రీయూజ్. సో ఫైనల్గా లాస్ట్ వన్, వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ templates at project level. We can use these templates in multiple applications. Adi story. So the third topic, introduction templates. So now onwards I have to separate our Python code and HTML code. Whatever code I separated, that is written into one file. That file is nothing but template. The template also forwarded by views.py only. So how to create templates, how to forward, tomorrow we will discuss. Online students, bye everyone. Bye bye. Vishnuvardhan. Django will finish at 45 days. REST API 15 days. Total course duration is 2 months.